Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. The announcement of new security partnership between Australia, UK and US, that is AUKUS, has changed the game of geopolitics, but this partnership has brought a huge setback for France. Australia has abandoned its 43 billion US dollar plan to build French conventional submarine, and now Australia will build vessels based on UK US technology. But this decision has brought France and India closer than before. Now France and India will set up a truly multilateral international order in which France and India, along with some other African, Asian or European nation, will make a League of Nations. This grand alliance will share trade, economics and most importantly, defense. This whole situation is going to benefit India building its nuclear power submarines or SSN. As we all know that Indian Navy has decided to go in for 6 nuclear powered attack submarines in place of third aircraft carrier. India will definitely require some help from France in building SSNs for Navy, as France has proven nuclear technology of miniature pressurized water reactor. However, India is also evolving miniature pressurized water reactor being developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center, which has already supplied a similar 83 megawatt miniature reactor for Arihant class submarine SSBNs. But India will definitely require propulsion system for channelizing nuclear power into mechanical drift. The pump jet propulsion system is very complex technology and its functioning is entirely different from conventional bare propeller. Pump jet propulsion system works exactly like a fighter jet engine. Unlike jet engine, it uses water pressure to propel the submarine. Pump jet propulsion system involves combination of hydraulic system, centrifugal pump, gearbox and impellers. India will definitely require help in developing propulsion system, and France will definitely help India building its nuclear submarine to revive its defense industry, considering huge setback from Australia. Now let us try to understand the requirement of Indian Navy nuclear submarine. But before moving forward, let's try to understand the classification of submarine and its role. There are 3 types of submarines based on NATO countries' standard hull classification. The first type is nuclear power submarine with a hull classification of SSN. The second type is SSBN, which is a nuclear power and capable of firing ballistic missile. The third one is SSK, which are conventional diesel electric submarines. Talking about submarines available with Indian Navy, the Indian Navy uses all 3 types of submarines. But in present time, Navy has only 2 submarines, which includes SSBN and SSK. But the main difficulty is the quantity of submarines operated by Indian Navy is less than the requirement, and recently Indian Navy has returned its only SSN, that is INS Chakra II, to Russia. However, there are plans to acquire another SSN, that is INS Chakra III, from Russia, regarding which a deal worth $3 billion was signed between Russia and India in year 2019. The submarine will be of Russian Akula Class 1 on lease for 10 years and will be delivering to India on 2026. Recently, Indian Navy is in talk with Russia for leasing another SSN, that is INS Chakra IV, citing the induction of INS Vikrant in 2022. However, the deal has not been inked, but there are speculations that this deal will be finalized sooner or later. As we all know that India is a key player in Indo-Pacific region. The geopolitics is changing its course. In future, India will have to play important role in Indian Ocean region, especially to counter Chinese aggression, as China continues to violate country's sea border and their research vehicle also tried to enter special economic zone of India. Recently, China has tripled its submarine production line, which is a real threat not only for India but also for USA. Overall, the responsibility of Indian Navy is increasing, and presently we have 0 SSN or nuclear power submarine, which makes Indian Navy vulnerable. The Indian Navy will also have to expand to deal with the danger in future and to save its national interest. So SSK, that is diesel electric submarine, and SSBN alone cannot do this work. Navy needs SSN as nuclear power submarine can stay in water for a long time and can patrol for a longer range and work like a silent killer. Another special thing about nuclear power submarine is that it can operate from deeper depth underwater, due to which enemy finds it difficult to track them. Above all the reasons, assassin presence will have a psychological impact on adversaries. Now, if we talk about assassin weapon package, these submarines are equipped with torpedoes, anti-ship missiles, cruise missiles and underwater mines. Creating assassin is bit expensive. That is why the most country operates diesel electric submarine. But now time has changed and the situation is not same as it used to be. China is expanding its navy very fast. China presently operates 11 SSNs, which are Chinese type 091, 093 and 095 class submarines, out of which China is going to retire 091 soon and replace it with new 095 type submarine. So, at any point of time, China will always have 11 nuclear power submarine in operational condition. In future, India will have 6 nuclear power submarines, and if we want to include these submarines by Indian Navy as soon as possible, then we have to find some reliable partner who properly operates and makes such submarines. Navy has to work on such a project on which work has already been done. This will save time and money in designing and development of the submarines. France has been India's most trusted partner since 1998 till date. At the same time, France had offered nuclear submarines to India along with the transfer of technology, and currently France is making a subset of 6 Calvary class submarines for India.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.